When doubts hit you late at night and no one's there to help, everything feels confusing. You feel stuck, wondering who will guide you now. Because doubts, tough questions, and exams never wait. Classroom AI is your one stop solution for clearing any doubt, anytime. A 24/7 tutor that explains simply, solves tough problems, and helps without judgment or waiting. Just learning, smooth, simple, and stress free. Now we can see how the girl interacts with the AI and clears her doubts.
Can you give the example of the quadratic equation with equal roots?
Absolutely. A quadratic equation has equal roots when the discriminant is 0. The discriminant is given by b squared minus 4ac. For example, consider the equation x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Here, a equals 1, b equals minus 4, and c equals 4. Now, let's calculate the discriminant. Minus 4 squared minus 4, 1, 4 equals 16 minus 16 equals 0. Since the discriminant is 0, this equation has equal roots. If you were to solve it, you'd find that the roots are x equals 2. Does that make sense? Want to try another example or dive deeper into solving?
Can you give the example of the quadratic equation with different roots?
Sure thing. A quadratic equation has different roots when the discriminant is greater than 0. For example, let's look at the equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here, a equals 1, b equals minus 5, and c equals 6. Now, let's calculate the discriminant. Minus 5 squared minus 4, 1, 6 equals 25 minus 24 equals 1. Since the discriminant is greater than 0, this equation has two distinct roots. If we solve it, we can factor it as x minus 2, x minus 3 equals 0, giving us the roots x equals 2 and x equals 3. Does that help? Want to go over how to solve it step minus by minus step?
Yes, can give practical application using quadratic equation.
Whatever the girl asks, the AI tutor listens to her exact question. It understands her input clearly and responds accurately. Every answer is given in a simple, effective, and helpful way. It will also help you work through the problem step by step. It guides you, explains each part clearly, and solves it along with you, so you never feel stuck or alone while learning.
Yes, I want to solve this problem together.
Right. Let's solve the equation minus 5t squared plus 20t plus 1 equals 0 step by step using the quadratic formula. First, we identify the coefficients. Minus I equals minus 5 minus b equals 20 minus c equals 1. Now, let's calculate the discriminant. b squared minus 4ac equals 20 squared minus 4 minus 5, 1. What do you get when you calculate that?
It will ask us a question to solve. If we give the answer, it will verify it and then provide a step-by-step solution. But what if help never had to wait? What if someone was always there, ready to listen, teach, and guide you? Instantly, anytime, any chapter, any question. That's where Classroom AI changes everything. Your 24/7 conversational tutor that talks to you, explains concepts in simple words, solves difficult problems with you, and clears even the most twisted exam questions without hesitation. No judgment, no waiting, no fear, just learning, smooth, simple, and stress free. Classroom AI, your one stop learning solution. A 24/7 personal tutor, real time voice interaction, instant doubt solving, step by step problem guidance, support for complex and twisted exam questions. Learn with interactive modules for every concept in the book. Complete CBSE chapter-wise understanding. Learn and understand any concept, anytime, anywhere, on any question. For smart learning, log in now to Classroom AI.